Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12R, and today I will show you how you can hard reset your device through recovery mode. Now, that being said, typically this process would allow you to get rid of a screen lock. I don't know if this device actually gets locked or not, but I'm gonna mention this nonetheless. At the moment, I don't see any kind of bypass that there is, at least in my list, so either this device, after resetting and getting your screen lock getting removed, will not get FRP locked, or if it does get FRP locked, I have no way of bypassing it. So that being said, we can now progress. So we do so by holding our power button. And when you see your power off option, simply tap on it. Your phone will turn off, at which point you can then hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. And this will take us to the recovery mode after a moment. When you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the power button, which I didn't do in time. Once you're in the recovery mode, using volume buttons, you want to select second option, wipe data, then confirm it using your power button. Select wipe all data, then confirm. This only gets like 5%. There we go. So we can now press power button to go back to main menu, or reboot to system, and this will initiate a reboot of the device and continue the factory reset of the device in the background. So it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up just because of that, but once the process is finished, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.